Alright guys, happy Friday. So I just wanted to come here to show you guys a Tesla play that we did. The strategy we did today was the Fibonacci breakdown. So when I saw SPY recovering to the upside, I noticed that Tesla was still hanging around the 78.6 line. And so when SPY reversed to the downside today, I decided to put a Tesla. So I knew under the 78.6 line we would be reaching down to the 61.8 daily level. So I took those puts today and we had 40% profit. So let's get to the computer and let's see how that happened. So let's go take a look at the play breakdowns today. So first I started with Tesla. So this was a Fibonacci breakdown. So what I did was I looked at Tesla. So when the day started, the RSI was peaking to the top. It was about here. It was, you can see that I was waiting for a trace of the RSI back to the 50. Right, it was all the way up here. It was extended. So what I did was I grabbed my Fibonacci tools. I pulled from the high, pulled to the low, because this was basically the first fib, right? It pulled back, and it tried to break the 100 line, but it failed, so now I assume it's going to go back to the 61. So when I called this out today at, let's see, Discord, this is my friend's Discord, by the way, I don't have Discord. At 7:54, I said below blue line, we would see Tesla at 61.8. So 871, and I actually got ahead of this. I was already in Tesla at 7:30 because I saw the rejection of the 20 SMA, and I got out at 40% profit. I only bought one contract as it was Friday and Tesla's pretty pricey. I would have swung this if it was Monday, just because I don't like over the weekend risk. I'm okay with overnight risk, but over the weekend risk is just, especially in weekly contracts, I would not swing it. But see, I posted that. This was the breakdown of the blue line, and at the end of it, right, hit 871. The play here was below this blue line, the Fibonacci line, right? So you could have shorted right here. You could took profit right here. I cashed out around this line right here. So I had a meeting. I didn't want to hold it through that. I should have, but that's okay. Profit is profit. We will try again on Monday. And that was the play breakdown of Tesla. So right now, if you look at SPY looks like it's still holding. It's still above the 127. So on Monday, if you break below, I would be dip buying SPY at 400. But in the meantime, I would be getting puts to 400 on SPY. Oh, another thing with Tesla today that I noticed, that's why I took puts, is yesterday, Tesla put a hanging man. That actually is a hanging man. If you don't know what a hanging man is, I'll show you. Hanging man powder in stocks. So that's a hanging man right there. This little red line right here, like a hammer on an uptrend. However, it's usually red, but the thing is this was green just because I'm using the TTM trend candle, so that's why it's green. So if the body is full, that means it's going up. If the body is empty, that means it's going down. So that's why you see, that's why I called that one a hanging man pattern yesterday. And right now I don't have the 200 SMA, but if I load up the 200 studies, that was another conviction trade for me just because I knew Tesla was at the 200. Tesla broke down to 200, went below in the 5-minute, and as you see, Tesla's green. Now what I see for the upcoming Monday, I might make a watch list for us. However, all I can see is that we are pulling back. QQQ is pulling back. I think we hit 316 on QQQ to retest this high over here, or maybe retest the zone, the 100 and 127 zone. Again, like I said, maybe I'll make a watch list on Sunday. Hopefully, when the future market opens, we just gap down, and so maybe we can just buy the dips. So yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'll be answering them. So, thanks everyone.